So this is my PRP setup. I do a lot of PRP here at Integrated Spine Pain and Wellness in Scottsdale, Arizona. PRP, for those of you that don't know, is platelet-rich plasma. That's where we take your blood, spin it in a centrifuge, this one right here, and we concentrate the platelets and what we call growth factors and anti-inflammatory proteins. So after they're done spinning, I process everything under this, what we call laminar flow hood. Inside there is a sterile environment. You can see the white tabletop base. That's all sterilized by the UV light. We also use Cavicide, which is a potent antibacterial, antiviral, and it basically kills all the bad bugs that live inside there. I sterilize the wells that we put in the centrifuge to spin also. So the purpose of this is to really go above and beyond and create the most sterile environment possible for these procedures. I'm using Apex Biologics. That's my system of choice. We have strong data that shows that they have really good high platelet concentrations and platelet capture. When we do the spin and when we use their concentrating device, we get a high dose of platelets. I want to focus really on the laminar flow hood. So this creates a sterile field for me, so I do all my blood processing under here. This helps reduce the risk of infection. This helps reduce the risk of any contamination of the blood product. It's maybe a little bit above and beyond. I know it's not required for many of the procedures I do, but I'm also specialized in doing interventional spine PRP. So I treat neck pain, mid back pain, and low back pain with platelet-rich plasma treatments. And for those procedures, I want a very strict sterile environment while processing the PRP. So that was my reason for purchasing the laminar flow hood. But now since I have it, I do all my blood processing under this thing. And it creates, if you looked it up, is a vacuum. And so what it does is it draws air up and away. So when I'm working here, there's nothing falling down that could potentially contaminate the work environment. The UV light kills all the bad bugs and again, creates a sterile field. Just an added level of safety for my patients and also gives me some peace of mind as well.